How to create a Facebook business page. So first and foremost, you must have your Facebook account. Tap this nine dots and then look for pages. So under create, you have to create a page. This is what it looks like. So here you can now think and create a Facebook page here. So it should be a unique Facebook page name because there are tons of Facebook page names. So you will see if it's available or not. You will be notified. So let's just say your Facebook page name is Clothe All You Want, but actually everything is up to you. This is just to give you an idea. Okay, you will see the result on the right side. So as you can see, this one is not available because of this. So let me erase that. And there's a check icon. That means this is okay. I mean, this is available. Now to see the category, you just have to type CL or clothing, then you will see here clothing store, clothing brand, clothing company. You can add it under categories. For bio, this one is optional, but I strongly suggest that you should put something here because the customer can see that bio when they visit your store, when they visit your Facebook business page. Okay, so this is just an example. It's like the best place for you, or actually everything is up to you. This is just an example for the sake of this tutorial. You could also view the mobile view and also the desktop view. If you want to see the result, you just have to click this mobile icon here. And then after that, tap create page, wait for a couple of seconds as it is saving the details. Okay, so let's just say if you have your website, let's just say if you have your WordPress website, your Shopify, if you have your Wix, all you have to do is to copy that one and then paste it right here, right click and then paste. I strongly suggest that you should have your Facebook page with you, I mean your page, in order for you to promote your business. Okay, so here enter your mobile, your number, and then after that you can now recheck, review, and then proceed with your email. So if you have your working email or business email address, then you can add it right here. Also, you can add your location, and then you can add your city and then zip code, something like that. So you just have to type the first name of your city. It will appear right here. And then for zip code, so you have to make sure that you know your zip code. And then for hours, you can customize your available or the availability of your hour here. For example, if your business is open different at different time, for example, Monday, your business will open at 8 a.m. and closed at 4 a.m. Tuesday, 9 a.m. and then close at 5 p.m. Wednesday, 10 a.m. and then close at 6 p.m. Everything is up to you. So you could just simply adjust the time here under selected hours. You can also add a timing. For example, if a Sunday you're just half day and then let's just say Monday you're half day. So you can just simply add more time right here. Okay, and then tap save. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you will see the result on the right side. After that, tap next. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is saving your details. So for profile picture and cover photo of your page, I highly suggest if you are a beginner and you don't know how to create or how to make your own Facebook or business page banner or cover photo, you can use Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. They will just want you to upgrade your plan, but even if you're using the basic version, you can do a lot of things here. So all you have to do is you have to go to create and then Facebook cover photo, then go to design, enter clothing. You will see tons of options right here, and then drag that template or that design that you want. Change it to your Facebook page name. So let me tap this and then change this to clothes all you want or clothing all you want, something like that. So sorry for the error right here. And then change this and then delete this part. You can add a sub caption, Okay, for example, the best place for you. The good thing about this Canva is that you can change everything here, like the font style, the font size. You can even change the background or the image. You just have to import or upload that picture and then drag it right here. You can change the color, you can add effects, you can change the font style and everything here. You can add elements, but we will not go further into that. So after that, tap share and then click download. Go back to your Facebook page and then import it. But let's go first to creating a Facebook profile. So you can go to create design Facebook profile, go to elements here. Once you have chosen the design, you can add a photo or an image that is related to clothing and then drag it right here. Okay, you can choose other basic version, click download, and then go back to your Facebook. Now you just have to import the image that you have created using Canva. So you just have to import right here. This is the result. You can see it on the right side for the cover photo. Import the cover photo that you have created using Canva. And then for edit action button, you can tap this, try it, and then you can customize here. For example, if you want your customer to see the send message button, you can tap the send message, send WhatsApp message, call now, book now, sign up. Okay, everything is up to you. And then after that, tap next. But for me, I just have to click or tap this send message because this is the common way and I want the customer to reach me right away. Okay. So this is what it looks like. After that, you can now review and then tap next. Don't worry, you can change your image or this images. You just have to click this trash icon and then import or add another image again if you want. Okay. Okay, so after creating your Facebook cover photo and image, you can now proceed with the next page, and that is to connect your WhatsApp page, but this one is optional. If you have your WhatsApp page with you, you just have to enter that, invite friends. Okay, toggle on for page notifications on your profile, but this one is optional. So you can tour, you can take the tour, or you can just simply click that now and then proceed to your Facebook page settings. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to add more information about your business page, then you can go to settings and then go to page details to add information about your contact number, about you. Okay, as you can see, you just have to add it right here. Privacy and legal info. You can add about your work, education, places live. Okay, and then more about you. So you can add it right here. Also, you can go to mentions if you want to adjust some of your settings right here. Go to followers and more. Okay. And then if you want to see your Better Business Suite, then you just have to tap this one here. You can see all the tools, the progress of your business page. So the good thing or the main function of this business Meta Business Suite is you can see the full performance of your Facebook business page. Your Facebook and Instagram business profiles can be connected with the help of the desktop and mobile app Meta Business Suite. Users of Meta can track the performance of their content and manage their Facebook, Instagram Messenger, and Facebook posts, advertisements, and conversations in one central location. So this is the main function of this Meta Business Suite. Okay, so to track the information to see the progress of your Facebook business page. So this is just a basic information and tutorial on how to simply create a Facebook page or Facebook business page. And I do really hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.